Let's continue prep 1, our third angle. We said our lesson is called parallelism. Parallelism, it means two parallel lines, okay? They are parallel in front of each other and a transversal come and cut both two parallel lines, okay? So we form three types of angles. Alternate, which means Z, corresponding, which means F, and the last one, which is called interior angle, okay? Interior angle, it means U, okay? Here we have U or the opposite of U, the sign of it, okay? Let's take our here shape. We have two parallel lines. Did you see the two parallel lines and the transversal? It's a must whenever we have a two parallel line and a transversal بأي شكل بقى. يبقى أنا عندي الشكل الأولاني alternate Z. الشكل الثاني للكورسبوندينج اف، الشكل الثالث للانتيرير هو يو او ان او يو معكوسه او the opposite of you. طيب what about the interior؟ احنا we said in the alternate and the corresponding both two alternate angles are equal in measure. Both two corresponding angles are equal in measure. How about the interior? No, we said here the interior is the sum of both two interior angles اللي هم inside داخلين جوه اليو. The sum of this one, if I told you this one is equal 80 and this one is equal 100 degree, so this means the sum of both two angles, it's a must equal 180. So in the interior I can say both two interior equal to each other or equal in measure. The sum here of both two interior angles equal 180. So if a straight line intersects two parallel lines, يبقى if I have a straight line اللي هو transversal بتاعي, which means my transversal, okay, اللاين اللي جا عمل cutting للتو parallel lines, then each two interior angles in the same side. خدي بالك بصي الانتيرير واقف فين؟ الاتنين ماسكين البارالل من هنا، واحد ماسك البارالل هنا وواحد ماسك البارالل من الناحية التانية. يبقى الانتيرير ماسك البارالل من هنا مع اللاين اللي بيعملوا intersecting، والتاني ماسك البارالل من هنا مع اللاين اللي بيعملوا intersecting. التو angles دول are called interior angles. inside جوه بطن التو parallel lines, okay? Inside the two interior angles in the same side of the transversal are supplementary. Why do we say they are supplementary? Because the sum of both of them is 180. As we took before, the supplementary angles, the sum of both two angles equal 180. So the interior angle, it means U or N. The sum of both two interior angles here is equal to 180. Not both of them equal 180. Take care. Okay, the interior, the sum of both of them equal 180. Okay, let's take an example. AB is parallel to CD. Okay, we have AB. Did you see AB? AD AB. AD CD. Both of them are parallel. So whenever we have two parallel lines, it's a must a transversal come and cut both of them. Where is my transversal? Oh, NM. So whenever I have two parallel lines and the transversal, this means it form alternate corresponding interior. Here we have what? Do we have F or Z or N? Yes, let's see. He said what? He said measure angle AEF plus measure angle, which is equal 65 degree, plus measure angle CFE. Here, what do we have? We have a parallel here, aho, da, parallel da, and here a transversal, so this means we have the letter U. Did you see? The letter U is called what? Interior. The sum of both two angles is equal 180 degree. So let's see here AEF, okay, which is equal 65 degree, plus CFE, which is equal 115 degree. Both of them equal 180, which means supplementary angle. Okay, so they are dots, angles, and dots. They are what? They are interior angles, okay, and supplementary. Or we can say and supplementary angles. It's both of them. Interior, it means the sum of two angles is equal to 180. Or they are supplementary angles and interior. Both of them is right. So we can say in the sum of, whenever we have the letter U or the letter N, this means we have two interior angles. The sum of both of them, it's a must إنه يكون equal 180, which means supplementary angle. Okay. Let's take another example. He said here in the figure opposite. Or before starting our example, let's go كده and make a revision again. What did we say again about? Let's remember كده. Whenever we have two parallel lines, Did you see the two parallel lines? And it's come at transversal and cut both of them. Okay, we have a two parallel lines and transversal come and cut both of them. So what do we have? We have three types of angles: alternate, okay, and corresponding, and interior. Quick revision quickly. Alternate, it means Z, okay. Corresponding, it means F. Interior, it means U or N. You remember? Okay, let's take here. If we go here, we can combine all of these angles in one. Let's see. We can go and find alternate here, parallel with a parallel and the transversal. So this is the letter Z. Again, we have a parallel with a parallel and the transversal. So we have this one is equal to this one in the Z here. And here this one is equal to this one. ممكن نput X كده is equal to this one. طيب, we found alternate. How about corresponding? Yes, do we have? Yes. In one shape we can find a lot of things. So we have this one اهو ادي البارallel اهو الجرين ده مع الجرين ده and the transversal. So we have the letter F. Did you see it? We have the letter F بالعكس بالناحية التانية on the other side. So we can say this one's the green one with the green one here under the parallel line. Under the parallel line both of them are equal because we found corresponding. Here in the letter F also parallel وparallel وادي transversal. So this one green one is equal to this one. طيب, how about the interior? Where is the interior? Yes, we found. Yes, we have اهو شايفين البراون one ده مع البراون one ده. So we have the letter شايفين اهو حرف اليو. يبقى this means the sum of this one brown one with the brown one here is equal to 180. Another U we have it here. This one with this one, the sum of both of them is equal to 180 plus, and here plus is equal to 180. So in one drawing I conclude all of these angles: alternate, corresponding, and interior. Okay?